Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, Miss Cherries, and thank you for clicking this video. In today's video, I'll be doing first impressions of the new Charlotte or new shades of the Charlotte Tilbury's Eyes to Mesmerize. I have the shades in Pillow Talk, and this is the Walk of No Shame. So I'm not sure why the cartons are so different in different colors. So you don't know why. So the Pillow Talk is like a pink color and Walk of Notion is like a berry pink. That's one thing I noticed about Charlotte Tilbury's products of pinks and berry pinks. I think those like her favorite shades, I believe. So maybe so I already applied everything on my face. I prime my lids with the Makeup by Mario. I use the cream. See guys, I am running out of this one, and then I set my eyes with the powder like I always do. So my brows, because my brows when I tried my best. I have been trying to fix my brows for 30 minutes. I was like done with my brows. So on my lips, I'm wearing the Coco Rouge from Chanel. This one in the shade Opportunity. This is so beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. I like this one now when I did my first impressions. I like it more than when I did my first impressions, and say feels a little bit better. I think maybe I was just like, I don't know what happened with my first impressions, but I really like this one, guys. I really like this. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more. So I'll be using the Eyes Pillow Top. So she already has like Pillow Top Quad, lip products, lip pencil, and lip liner. Well, also same with the Walk of No Shame quad and lip products. So I'll be trying out. Oh my god. Okay. I'm kind of scared to use cream shadows because normally they don't last long, they dry out. So I'm very scared. But I read some people commenting and other YouTubers that they're still good until now, like because they're good for 6 months and they still have her cream shadows for over a year. So I hope that they would last long on me. So let me get a brush because I'm very curious about this one. So I'm gonna swatch this shade Pillow Talk. So I don't have any of her Pillow Talk collection or Walk of No Shame. Oh, this is pretty. It's not exactly matte. It's like, see the sheen, the shine? That is pretty. Wow. Very pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush and I'm gonna get a mirror. And I'm gonna apply this one on my, I think, right side. I don't know how this is gonna work on me. Oh wow, this is pretty. I'm not gonna drag it. I guess I'm just gonna apply it right there. This one, I'm gonna stop it right there. Ooh, this is pretty. Wow. Let me add a little bit more. Very easy to blend. Very easy to blend. I do not see any patchiness, anything at all. Applied beautifully, applied very nicely, very easy to use. Very happy with this formulation. The shade, oh, is it perfect? Like quick and done. Let's say out of the door, apply mascara, done. This is very nice. I like this one. All right, so very easy to use. So next one I'll be tying out is the Walk of No Shame, which is like a berry pink shade. And let me open this up. Okay. This is pretty. Very nice. So this is the shade Walk of No Shame. Feels very creamy. And I'm gonna see here. Oh wow, also very nice. This is nice. See that beautiful, almost like metallic shade. Wow, that's pretty. And then I'm gonna use another brush. Whatever, I'm just gonna take off the excess, I guess, or brush it off. I'm gonna go back to my right side and I'm gonna apply the shade Pillow Talk and apply this one on my lower lashes. And then I'm gonna go back again on my left side and applying the shade Walk of No Shame on my lower lashes. I'm gonna reapply whatever's left on my sponge just because the concealer came off. Okay, so I'm gonna put on false lashes because I love to wear my false lashes. I'll be right back. The fourth time filming this part because my camera is like heating up right now. It's like 100 degrees. So I'm gonna tell you guys my thoughts about these new shades from Tilbury, the new Eyes to Mesmerize. I really like the formulation, like the shades, Pillow Talk, and this is the Walk of No Shame, and this is the Pillow Talk light pink shade. I really like the formulation. They blended beautifully, very easy to use. I did not expect to like this at all because I had a really bad experience with cream shadows from another brand, not Tilbury, of course. So I'm very impressed with these cream shadows. These are like perfect like for like busy days and also no makeup. You do not need to apply a lot with these cream shadows because they are nicely, pigmented. So overall, really impressed with these. I'm definitely gonna wear these until maybe 10 or 11 o'clock. Right now it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. My camera is dying right now, it's heating up. So let me know if you have tried anything from Tilbury, especially her cream shadows, because they're only good for 6 months. So I'm hoping they're gonna last longer than 6 months. I know because they're expensive, like 34, maybe $35 each. So far, very impressed. And this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.